What's up, guys? This is good old boy John, DJ Bright Eyes from DJ Bright Eyes. Let me lower this. Alright, so I just got myself another speaker. The ELX 10-inch 10P 200 series. So I'm about to unbox it. Let's go check it out. Alright, looks no box inside of a box this time. That's the first. Okay, foam. Looks good. Foam. Plastic. See what we got. Give me a second, I'm going to pull it out. Alright, here we go. All unboxed. The ELX200 series. 10-inch powered speaker. So, right off the bat, you got the DSP. Same as usual. It doesn't change much. The only thing I had to do was turn on the app so I could control the Bluetooth. So you got two inputs, plus you have an RCA input, which is pretty cool. In case something goes down or you don't need Bluetooth, you just plug something up, boom, to the back, and do what you gotta do. So it's a 1300 watt powered speaker. Like I said, it works off the EV app. Real sharp, real clean. 3 handles. They also have little plugs up here that you could take out, and then you could hook up lights or whatever else you want to hang them. Looks a lot like the ELX line, so it's not bad. Let's turn the volume off. But yeah, so this is my new addition. And that's about it. 1200 peak, so you're looking at 500-600 watts. It's perfect for like cocktail hour, sound reinforcement, especially if it all works with the app and the valves I already have. Plus you have the ELX200 series 10-inch, two 12-inch subs. So my whole setup is pretty much working off the app, and you can control up to 6 devices at once. So that's about it. In a little bit, I'm going to do a sound test and see how we do. And this is the ALTO TS310. This goes for $250. This goes for like $550, $560, something like that. So this is supposed to peak out at 2,000, nowhere near 2,000, but it sounds pretty close to this one. So give me a second, and we will. All right, we're gonna do a quick sound test and see how we do. We'll do copyright-free music though, so I don't get in trouble. Here we go. Let's hear it. Sounds really clear. EV always sounds clear, so that's no surprise. A little bit more power than the ELX line, and able to use an app. Big positive. Only reason I bought it, convenience. Makes my job a lot easier. But that's what it sounds like, real clear. And quick side by side to see how the other one sounds. Closer right now, but excuse me. For someone that's on a budget and wants something fairly reliable, no issues, sounds really, really good. This seems like it would need a little bit more EQing. It's nothing fancy. 2 ins, 1 out. And that's about it. Good, reliable speaker. Got the other one down there. So I don't just say something with actually owning it and actually using it. So it's not all about being a name chaser. Name chaser is easy. Let me go with EV, USC, JBL, whatever. EV I like. I buy name brands and I buy unpopular name brands. So overall, sounds real good. Any questions, let me know. Leave them in the comments. And that's about it. That's my DJBRITEEYES in the corner. That's my setup anyway. Well, once again, this is John, DJBRITEEYES. If you can, subscribe, like, comment. And it's a great speaker. Costs a little bit more money. Has a little bit more clarity. Nothing that's that crazy. This is also about $300 more money. $300 more. So you pay for the app, a couple extra functions, and that's about it. I like the app. In the long run, I'll make my money back. I know. In conclusion, I like it. It's a good speaker. Sounds really good. Doesn't limit like the ZLX does. ZLX limited a lot easier than the. I guess 200 watts more. Don't think it makes. I guess it makes some difference. But I do the same thing. I shut this off and I leave the LED. It would limit if the light would come on. But it's a good looking speaker. Pretty heavy too. It's made really good though. So this is my other piece to my collection. So I'm going to use this for sound reinforcement. And I have my Evolves already, 30s. I got the 12-inch ELX200 sub, 12, two of them. So, we're all good. But if you can, I'm over 600 subs now. Subscribe, like, and if you can, comment. Peace.